Hi Year 6, welcome to our last day of our Shakespeare unit and the last day of this week. I hope you've really enjoyed the unit. Today we're going to finish with a fun quiz just to consolidate all our learning and to test to see if we remember some key facts about Shakespeare and some of his plays. So the first thing I'd like you to do is write the date and the LI, which is just Shakespeare quiz, in your books before we begin. So the first question, in which year was Shakespeare born? Was it 1666, 1972, 1564 or 1764? So if you can write the question and the answer and then we'll move on to the next one. Please pause the video and write down what you think. Okay, question number 2. What was the name of Shakespeare's wife? Was it A. Barbara Windsor, B. Anne Hathaway, C. Anne Robinson or D. Barbara Castle? So same thing, write the question and then write the answer underneath. Number 3, what was the name of the theatre most associated with Shakespeare? Was it A, the Rose and Crown, B, the Bell, C, the Old Vic or D, the Globe? Question 4, where was Shakespeare's hometown? Stratford-upon-Avon, Stoke-on-Trent, Bradford-on-Tone or Weston-super-Mare? You should have a lot of this information from your fact-finding mission we did in the first week, so I think you should be good with these questions. Number 5, approximately how many plays did Shakespeare write? A, 14, B, 38, C, 42 or D, 120? Number 6, what type of poems did Shakespeare write? A, limericks, B, haikus, C, sonnets or D, elegies? Number 7, who was Queen of England while Shakespeare was young? A, Queen Anne, B, Queen Elizabeth I, C, Queen Elizabeth II or D, Queen Victoria? And there's some clues in the pictures to help you. Can you name the play about an ill-fated couple that has been made into a famous Hollywood movie? A, Miranda and Lysander, B, Romeo and Juliet, C, Victoria and Albert, D, Fiona and Philip? And the clues there in the picture, if you know the film. How old was Shakespeare when he died? A, he was 56, B, he was 60, C, he was 52 or D, he was 62? And last question, which play was set on an island situated between Milan and Tunisia? A, A Midsummer Night's Dream, B, The Tempest, C, Romeo and Juliet or D, Macbeth? You should be able to answer this question really, really easily. Okay, so let's go through the answers. Shakespeare, born in 1564. Number 2, the name of Shakespeare's wife was Anne Hathaway. Number 3, the theatre that was most associated with Shakespeare was called the Globe Theatre. Number 4, Shakespeare's hometown was Stratford-upon-Avon. Number 5, Shakespeare wrote approximately 38 plays. Number 6, Shakespeare wrote sonnets. Number 7, Queen Elizabeth I was queen when Shakespeare was young. Number 8, the name of the play is Romeo and Juliet. Number 9, Shakespeare was 52 when he died. And number 10, the play was The Tempest. So let's see, hopefully you all got 10 out of 10 for that. It wasn't too difficult a quiz. And I'm hoping that you managed to find all that information from your brain rather than looking in your books, because you remembered all of the facts you'd written about Shakespeare and his life. So we're going to do one more task and then we will finish the lesson. So I would like you to create a spider diagram of all the things you've learned about William Shakespeare, A Midsummer Night's Dream and The Tempest. So you can use your notes now for this, but I want you to consolidate all of your learning into one big spider diagram telling me what you have learnt. Okay? Please remember to send your work into the Year 6 email address, and remember you will be rewarded with certificates and class charts points. Have a lovely weekend and I'll speak to you on Monday.